In this video, I'll be introducing the new iSTAR driver Customer Proprietary Network Information found in Secure version 3.00.1. System variables disable person pin failure and pin failure period have been added to Secure 9000 to automatically disable the personnel if X number of pin failures have occurred. To access the system variable, navigate to Options and Tools, System Variables. To find the system variable, enter pin into the filters. Expand the iSTAR driver menu. The Disable Person Pin Failure System variable defines the number of pin failures a personnel can enter before they're disabled. The default value is 3 times, and entering 0 will disable the feature. To change the value, enter a new value into the value cell. The Pin Failure Period System variable defines how long the system will detect pin failures before automatically disabling the personnel. The default value is 300 seconds, and the iSTAR driver will detect per door per person. To change the value, enter a new value into the value cell. For these system variables, a new journal entry will be created against the message type iSTAR controller security activity. Open Secure IQ and navigate to Monitoring, Audit and Journal, and Find in Journal. In the filtering tools, define the date range and time range you wish to search against. Then click the Add New Filter button and select Message Type. On the Message Type drop-down, select iSTAR controller security activity and click the Apply button to return results. The system variable CPNI timeout has been added to Secure 9000. To access the system variable, navigate to Options and Tools, System Variables. To find the system variable, enter CPNI into the filters. Expand the iSTAR driver menu. The default value is 0 seconds, which disables the feature. The value can be set to 8 seconds to meet the CPNI requirement. To change the value, enter a new value into the value cell. For any panel in TLS 1.3 channel, the iSTAR driver will use the new timeout value to detect panel offline. If we set the current system value controller waits for connection to 1 second and the new CPNI timeout system variable to 8 seconds, the iSTAR driver will detect panel is offline within 9 seconds. The journal message type firmware installation activity has been added in version 3.00.1. To view this journal message, navigate to Monitoring, Audit and Journal, and Find in Journal. In the filtering tools, define the date range and time range you wish to search against. Then click the Add New Filter button and select Message Type. On the Message Type drop-down, select Firmware Installation Activity and click the Apply button to return results. When a firmware update occurs, the iSTAR driver will create 3 new journal messages under Journal Message Type Firmware Installation Activity.